Hey DIYers, I'm George from Alarm Grid. Today we're going to be going over how to set the time and date on a Simon XTi or Simon XTi-5. Now the panels are very similar, so it's going to be the same walkthrough. I'm using the Simon XTi today, but if you do have the XTi-5, it's the same exact steps. Yeah, so this is very short and simple. First thing you need to do is go ahead and click on the right hand corner. There's a little gear icon. That's your settings. Once you click on that, it takes you to the page with all your status and settings. You're going to hit the down arrow key until you see set date/time. Hit enter. It's going to ask you to enter in a code. This could be your master code, your dealer code, or the installer code. Either one will work. So mine backed out because I didn't give it any action. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Hit the gear icon again. Hit the down arrow key, go to set date and time, and then you can enter in your code. I'm going to enter in the default dealer and installer code, which is 4321, and I hit OK. Now again, remember, these codes could be different depending on you or your company. You guys may have changed it, your company may have changed it, so you want to make sure you have those codes. You can use your master code as well, so that's usually the code that you arm the system with. You can use that code, and if it works, it'll take you to the next screen, set date and time. So my time right now, I have it set to 9:40. You can change that. Right now, let's say I wanted to make it noon. I would just type in 12. You can also use the down arrow keys and up arrow keys to increase it. So you can use the arrow keys or type it in. I'm going to bring it back to 9 a.m. And then for the minute, I'm going to leave it, let's say 9:39. Again, you can use the down arrows or the up arrow keys, however you like. I hit save on the top right. Now again, you always want to make sure you're hitting save. Yeah, if you're not saving your work, it's not gonna stay that way. You can switch between AM and PM. That one's just a press and it toggles it. And then the date, same concept. You just press on the box. Takes you to the month. You can go down, you can go up. I'm going to leave it on the 10th. And my day is today the 25th. Today would be the 25th. Again, while you guys are doing this, you guys want to switch it to your day. All right. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And the year, I'll leave it as 2018. But you can also change that by going down, up, typing it in however you like. You hit save again, and after you finish setting your time and your date on the panel, you can just hit close in the top right, hit close again in the top right, and you're back at the home screen. You now have the time appearing at the very top of your panel. Should say 9:41 a.m. because I set it to 9:40, a minute past, 9:41. That was just a quick video on how to set the time and date on a Simon XTi or Simon XTi-5. If you guys do have any questions, you can email us at support@alarmgrid.com. If you found the video helpful, make sure that you hit like underneath, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and enable notifications so when we upload new content, you guys do get notified. I'm George from Alarm Grid. I'll see you guys next time.